Sinaloa is not a place that you want to be riding at dark. ¿Esta la ruta, la carretera seguro anoche? That was not the most confidence-inspiring nod. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Logbook. My name is Jeff, but you can call me Jefinately. And we are in Guadalajara, Mexico. Gunter is in the shop at 3 Moto. Today's Moto. And getting tires, and they're looking at all the faults that are probably on there. So I'm checking out of the hotel right now. Gonna just go over to the shop, and you know, everyone loves it when people breathe over their shoulder when they're working on your bike. Anyway, so because I stayed here in Guadalajara getting the bike worked on for a few days, there's only 11 days left on the temporary import permit for Mexico, which has a $400 deposit on it. So if I don't make that, I don't get my $400 back. So the race to get up to the US is been on for a few days, and it's going to go on for further. We got to make every day count. So yeah, let's go to the shop. Okay, bike is getting worked on as we speak. So get some food, get back there, get going. Got a panini from La Flor de Cordoba. No comment. No comment. I just got a message from Turbochainsaw, not the camera, the person, and he is currently rolling from New York City to Tucson and then on to Mazatlan. So I think I can meet him in Tucson. I mean, I could meet him in Mazatlan, but then I'd be stuck in Mazatlan for longer than Gunter is allowed to be in this country. So yeah, let's make that a thing. So new game. We're aiming for Tucson, and we'll figure out how many days it'll take to get there and when Turbo will be there. Nice. It's past noon, and we are still here waiting on the bike. Gunter is, I think, gonna get a wash too, which is unnecessary, but I'll take it. Anyway, so the idea is to get to Mazatlan today, which is 5.5 hours on a toll road, and that should be easy enough to do. We also gain an hour going across another time zone, so we should be okay for light. But yeah, this section of the highway is not ideal. There's not a lot of places. The northern states are deemed unsafe, so there's only a few cities you can actually are advised to stay in, and Mazatlan is the first one. So we got to make it there by dark, and I really don't want to be riding around in the dark like you know, a couple of episodes ago. Fingers crossed so we can get going. It's now almost 1 o'clock. Still here. About an hour and a half ago I was told it was close. So just to give you some context, when I do when I have to replace my tube in the dirt, in the forest, in the middle of nowhere, it takes about 45 minutes. So gracias. Okay. Well, it is now 20 after 2. And, well, I don't like to say anything bad, so here we go. So I've got 2 brand new tires, and they're gonna have the release agent on them. So I've got to be extremely careful not to gun it or to do all this stuff. You know, they're going to be really slippery for a while. So that is that. Sundown in Mazatlan is 6:30. We are 5.5 hours away, so that makes it 8 o'clock. We should get there at 7 o'clock. It's saying on my thing, so I gotta stop for gas probably once because I have a full tank. Well, we're on the pay highway to get to Mazatlan, and it just occurred to me, one of the many problems that happened at the bike shop, I had to go to the bank and take out every single dollar that I could to pay the bill. And I even had to dig into my emergency fund to pay the difference. It was quite expensive. It was very, 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 very expensive. Yeah, $800 Canadian for 2 tires. So anyway, now I have unlimited funds for this pay highway. So we're back at going to Puebla again. So we'll see how much money I have. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's see where we're going here. Tepec is pretty much where we're going, so this is a pay one. Hola, buenas.
Hola.
¿Cuándo es?
96.
96 pesos. It's gonna be a short trip. ¿Cuánto pesos? Aquí a Mazatlan.
300.
300? Okay, gracias. Okay, so I need 200 more pesos. Or maybe even 300 more pesos from here after that one. So 400 total. I have to go into my wallet for this one, I think, so I'm gonna have to, what the, efectivo. Multimodal. Moto 144, jeez. I don't know if I have that. Hola. Buenas. Order. Disculpe. ¿Cuándo es aquí a Mazatlan? Sí, ¿cuánto? ¿Cuándo? 400. Aquí a... So, más... No inclusivo... No inclusivo aquí? No? Okay, gracias. Yeah, I don't have enough cash. I've got 70. Well, it's gotten even better. Awesome. Moto 85, I think I might have that actually. ¿Este es un banco acá?
Banco,
Sí.
tendrías que entrar a Tepic.
Ok, yeah.
Unos 20 minutos derecho, puedes entrar a Tepic.
Okay. ¿Dónde es la cerca o la próxima?
¿Caseta?
Sí.
Sería por el libramiento norte, pero si te vas por libramiento, no te reciben tarjeta, es puro efectivo.
Okay.
Tienes que irte derecho para sacar dinero en Tepic.
she said the next bank is in Tepic, which is quite blatantly on the list of places that I am to avoid. Well, there's no bank here. Maybe there is over there. Hola, ¿está en cajero de aquí?
¿Mande?
¿Hay cajero?
Ya no hay.
No? Okay. Okay, so it's in delay, which well, it's gonna be nice and cool in there. Let's take that. I think I'm at my limit for daily withdrawal, and I think my credit card is not working. So awesome. I do not know what to say. So there's two cash machines in there, and so I went to the first one, and it totally worked, and I got cash, so we're good. Okay. And Turbo, where are you, buddy? Okay, let's hit the road. We are now, with all the kind of turnarounds and stuff, we're looking at a 20 after 7 landing time, so that's 50 minutes past sunset. Not ideal, but yeah, we'll see. Hola, buenas. Whoa, whoa. Not a joker. Gracias. Sistad would have laughed at me, that's for sure. Almost falling off my bike in front of people. Yeah, he would have. Gracias. Oh, he's cool though. He's slick. Hey, look at this. It's Sistad. Sistad is now playing the part of Turbo. Turbo, if you don't remember, or whatever, Turbo broke. And the water, oh my, the water bladder is leaking everywhere. That's great. What a day, hey? Hey, Sistad, you get called up from the miners? Okay, I'm gonna attempt to eat while riding the motorcycle. If you're a little squeamish, then I suggest you cover your eyes. Maybe if you have children that are under the age of 25, send them out of the room. It's gonna get weird. Oh, here we go, clutch is in, we're coasting. Okay, we got a bar. Okay, not bad. Oh shit, we're going real slow. Got it. Now how am I going to get that inside my helmet? Nope. Nope. Also no. Going pretty fast. We're at 109. I got my mouth. Yeah. I'm so hungry. All I have is that terrible panini. Well, half of the terrible panini. We have just entered Sinaloa, and I don't know what this is. Is it a checkpoint maybe? As soon as you get to Sinaloa, there's a checkpoint. Alright. Okay, gracias. And that was the checkpoint. Man, I could really go for a nice loncheria right now and very quick bathroom afterwards. But we don't have time for that. We're hitting the road. We're close. We got an hour 40. 35. Okay, last gas stop. It's got to be a quick one. Quick one.
¿Cuánto?
Hola. Por favor. La roja lleno. Gracias.
¿Va a pagar efectivo o tarjeta?
Terata. Un buenos días. Buenos días.
Tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Es pues todo día está bueno. Buena.
Ah, mucho sol,
Está
mucha calor.
Oh, sí.
¿A Mazatlán?
Sí. Desde Guadalajara.
Lejos.
Sí, mañana.
¿Ahí está bien?
Sí, está perfecto. Gracias.
Está bien, muy bien.
So, it looks like look at me, I didn't even button up. Just irresponsible is all that is. So it looks like we've got, gracias. The tap is still working on my credit card. It is the chip that is busted. So I should apologize to that lady at the front of the motorcycle shop. I was a little, I don't know, curt, I'd say. Another pay station. I honestly kind of like having these everywhere. I like seeing police. Sinaloa is not a place that you want to be riding at dark. And I am very close to that. I think I've got 20 minutes until the sun goes down. I've got 55 until I get to Mazatlan. Hola. Buenas. ¿Esta es la ruta, la carretera a seguro anoche? ¿Sí? Ok.
¿Vaya bien?
Gracias. That was not the most confidence-inspiring nod. I'm gonna just go out and say that. Oh man. All I've had today for food is that half a terrible panini and a really shaky granola bar. Pulled off the highway and now I'm on a side road, it looks like. It's not, I don't know, man. Oh, sweet, merciful Jesus. Wow, what a crazy day. Okay. I don't know what to say, man. Not one of my favorites, but whatever, it's done. I'm very happy about that, so we can call that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'm not asking for a thumbs up on this one. This is just go out there, find someone, make them laugh. Please do, please do. Let's put some bets on how much the highway is going to be. Gracias. Said it. It's for kids.